sentence. A complex sentence contains one independent clause, that is a complete sentence, and at least one dependent clause. Dependent clause means it is incomplete sentence. So complex sentences use connecting words like because, after, before, when, if, unless, and so on. Now let us look at one example. I stayed home because it was raining. So in this sentence, there is one complete sentence and one incomplete sentence. I stayed home is a complete sentence. And because it was raining is an incomplete sentence. But when you put them together, it becomes a complex sentence. That is, I stayed home because it was raining. So when we use complex sentence, we are able to express our ideas and thoughts more clearly to others. So let us look at a few more examples. She smiled when she saw her friends at her doorstep. Although he was tired, he finished his homework on time. We will go for a walk if the weather improves. Since you have studied hard, you will do well on your exam. Even though they were nervous, they delivered an excellent presentation. She read a book while her brother played outside. And continue to practice complex sentences to make your ideas and expressions to other people more easily. Watch Daily English, like, share and subscribe to this video so you can see more video in English topics. Thank you for watching.